Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to access Polymarket using a VPN. Polymarket is one of the biggest prediction markets where you can place bets on real-world events. Everything from politics to sports, and yes, even the weather. But depending on where you live, accessing this platform might not be so simple. Many governments are cracking down on online gambling and prediction platforms, and some are outright banning them. If you're in one of those countries, don't worry. I'll show you how to use a VPN to bypass these restrictions and safely access Polymarket. Before we start, remember that VPNs aren't just about bypassing restrictions. They also provide an extra layer of security, especially when dealing with cryptocurrency payments, which Polymarket uses. If you don't have a VPN yet, I'll also share my top 3 recommendations: NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, and PureVPN, each with unique benefits depending on your needs. Check out the links in the description to try them out for great prices. Now, let's talk about why you need a VPN for Polymarket. When you use a VPN, you're essentially masking your real IP address and replacing it with one from a country where Polymarket is accessible. This process, called geo-spoofing, allows you to use the platform as if you're in a supported country. However, not all VPNs can bypass the advanced firewalls that some websites use to block VPN traffic. That's why it's important to choose a VPN with obfuscation technology. This makes your VPN traffic appear normal, helping you access Polymarket and similar platforms without interruptions. Let me quickly show you how to connect to a VPN and access Polymarket. The steps are similar across all VPNs, but I'll demonstrate using NordVPN, Surfshark VPN, and PureVPN. First, install and open the VPN app of your choice. Let's start with NordVPN. Once inside, click on the server location menu. You'll want to select a country where Polymarket is available. Choose the closest one to your location for better speeds. For example, if you're in France, you might pick Germany. Select the server, click Connect, and wait for the connection to establish. Once connected, refresh the Polymarket website, and you should now have access. The same process applies to Surfshark VPN and PureVPN. Each offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy to pick a server and connect within seconds. Regardless of which VPN you choose, you'll be able to bypass restrictions and access Polymarket securely. Now let's briefly compare these 3 options to help you decide which is best for you. If you prioritize speed and extra features, NordVPN is an excellent choice. It uses the NordLynx protocol, which is one of the fastest on the market, making it great for streaming, gaming, and secure browsing. NordVPN also offers specialty servers like Onion over VPN and double encryption, along with an advanced threat protection feature to block ads and malware. For those on a budget, Surfshark VPN provides incredible value. It's fast, secure, and allows unlimited device connections with one subscription, making it ideal for families or groups. Surfshark VPN also includes features like ad blocking, malware protection, and specialty servers, all at a very affordable price. Finally, PureVPN is the simplest option, perfect for beginners. It focuses on ease of use while still providing essential features like a kill switch, split tunneling, and strong encryption. If you're looking for something straightforward and effective, PureVPN is a solid pick. If you're interested in trying NordVPN, Surfshark, or PureVPN at a great price, check out the links in the description below.